I make YouTube videos. I make YouTube videos. Oh yeah? They're not good though. Hey, can you wheelie on a 300? Is it possible? Can you do it?
You asked for it.
What? What? How'd you do that? What? Are you Gamer's friend? Huh? You're waiting for Gamer, right? Huh? You're waiting for Gamer? Yeah, fuck.
You gonna ride with us?
Yeah, I'm just bored right now, that's why. Huh? Oh, Bluetooth.
How much you pay for it?
The helmet? 200.
The helmet?
Yeah.
200?
It's a good deal.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Fucking Gamer, where is this motherfucker? Ah. I don't know how to fucking turn around now. If it works, it's not stupid, right? Oh, finally his little fucking green ass gear. I always make fun of him for that shit. Way to take forever, fucker.
Fuck you.
Dude, me and him are practically best friends. That's how long he fucking took.
Huh?
Dude, we know each other so well now, dude. That's how long he took. You better not fucking hit me. You can stop, but don't hit me.
Whoa. Yesterday, this guy stands up on his feet.
Oh yeah, you can stand on this? What the fuck? Here's a fucking cop. What's up, man? Hey, let's leave Gamer.
Huh?
Leave Gamer, just go wherever. No, I'm just joking.
What?
Leave him. Yeah, let's go. No, I'm just joking. This guy's fucking funny. I don't know his name yet, but he's fucking funny. Ooh. You fucking dick. Hey, you idiot. You can't park here. Oh, whatever. If we get a ticket, we get a ticket.
Oh, you got it.
Smack that all on the floor. Smack that. Give me some more. Smack that. Ooh. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? How'd you do that? Whoa. I'm not holding onto anything.
Ready?
Yeah, go. Oh hell yeah, dude. Why the fuck do girls like this shit? This shit is fucking stupid. What the fuck? Oh my god.
What?
This is so scary. Ah, I'm riding this. Oh, you lead, because I don't know where we're going. Oh. Hey, I'll race you to the white line. It's like it. Hey, I beat you. No, I'm just fucking with you. Hey, it was a joke, man. That shit is loud. Yeah. It's just badass though. Group ride.
Hey.
Peace out. This is my first like group ride with more than 3 people. We were supposed to be taking the freeway today, but the other guy behind us, Gamer, he ate shit at the freeway the other day, and his other friend doesn't want him taking the freeway. Oh my god, you crazy motherfucker. What happened? Alright, here, let me go. Hello. How you doing? I fist bumped the cop. That's pretty badass. Whoa. You go. Oh, that's just a fucking lot. I was ready to like fucking race, you know? Alright, peace out. What the fuck?